Welcome to this tutorial video on Sellercloud's FBA Opportunities Report. This report gathers your FBM sales data and helps you identify SKUs you may want to consider selling via FBA. Let's dive in. Before we jump right in, just make sure opportunity services are enabled for your workflow. If you're unsure, just reach out to Sellercloud support, and they'll get you up and running in no time. To access the FBA Opportunities Report, go to Settings. Select Marketplaces, then Amazon, and finally, FBA Opportunities. Here, you will find the top-level details at the top of the grid. The last calculated on shows when the service last updated the report data. The days to go back displays the current value of the client setting FBA Opportunities Report days to go back. Please note that it takes overnight recalculation for changes to reflect. Now, let's take a closer look at the report grid and the information it provides. Company column. This column displays the company to which the FBM item belongs. ASIN column. Here, you can find the FBM item's ASIN on Amazon. The seller SKU column shows the FBM SKU that should be considered to create an FBA shadow. Your price column displays the item price on the FBM listing per the Amazon Active Listing Report. The competitive price column shows the current buy box price on the ASIN, which is checked daily. Amazon fulfillment fees column. Here, you can find the estimated FBA fulfillment fees for the SKU received from Amazon daily. If the value is 0, it means Amazon could not provide it, and the FBM listing may need revising. The total orders column represents the number of Amazon FBM orders shipped over the selected days, based on the client setting FBA Opportunities Report days to go back. On the top right of the report, you'll find two actions you can perform. Export to Excel. By selecting items in the report and clicking this icon, you can download the report as an Excel spreadsheet. Create shadow products. This action aims to streamline the process of identifying which products perform well as FBM and lets you list them as FBA. Since Amazon does not allow a SKU to be listed as both, Sellercloud uses shadow products to allow you to keep track of such listings. Simply select your items. Click the three dots and select Create Shadows. Set the FBA shadow SKU and FBA item price and click Create Shadow. The new shadow SKU will automatically be set to Fulfilled by Amazon. Once your shadows are created, you can post them on Amazon and add them to your FBA inbound shipments. That's it. Now you can tap into the power of your FBM sales data and uncover those hot items you should consider selling via FBA.